Heartwarming animal rescue stories that will restore your faith in humanity. 1. A dog trapped in a storm drain was rescued by a dedicated team of volunteers. 2. An injured owl was nursed back to health, showcasing the power of rehabilitation and care. 3. A kitten stuck in a tree inspired a community to come together for its safe rescue. 4. A neglected horse found a forever home after a brave rescue operation by animal welfare officers. 5. A family of ducks crossing a busy road were safely escorted to a nearby pond by kind-hearted volunteers. Join us in supporting animal rescue efforts everywhere.